SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading provider of pre-engineered building (PEB) design services in Bhopal. With years of experience in the industry, SCON Design has established itself as a reliable and trusted name in the field of PEB design. The company is known for its innovative and cost-effective solutions that meet the specific requirements of its clients. As PEB designers in Bhopal, SCON Design understands the unique challenges faced by businesses in the region. Bhopal is a fast-developing city with a growing industrial sector. To cater to the needs of this dynamic market, SCON Design offers a comprehensive range of PEB design services. From concept development to detailed engineering, the company provides end-to-end solutions that are tailored to the specific needs of each client. The team at SCON Design consists of highly skilled and experienced professionals who are well-versed in the latest design and engineering practices. They use advanced software and tools to create efficient and sustainable PEB structures that meet international standards. With their expertise, they ensure that each project is completed on time and within budget. SCON Design takes pride in its commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. The company strives to exceed client expectations by delivering superior PEB design solutions that are not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. By combining technical expertise with creative thinking, SCON Design ensures that each project stands out in terms of design and functionality. Whether it's a small warehouse or a large industrial facility, SCON Design has the expertise to handle projects of all sizes and complexities. The company has a proven track record of successfully completing numerous PEB design projects in Bhopal and other parts of India. By choosing SCON Design as their PEB designers in Bhopal, clients can be confident that their projects are in safe hands. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading provider of 3D scanning services in Bhopal. With their expertise in the field of 3D scanning, they offer high-quality and accurate scans for various industries. Whether it is for product design, reverse engineering, or quality control, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd ensures that their clients receive the best possible results. One of the key advantages of using their 3D scanning services is the ability to create precise digital replicas of physical objects. This can be extremely useful in industries such as manufacturing, automotive, and aerospace, where accuracy and precision are of utmost importance. By using advanced scanning technology, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is able to capture even the smallest details of an object, ensuring that the digital replica is an exact representation of the physical one. Another advantage of their 3D scanning services is the ability to streamline the design